So next we need to perform activity. So activity is to demonstrate the reaction between metal with oxygen and non-metal with oxygen. So reaction which we have done previously, metal का reaction with oxygen and again non-metal का with oxygen. So now we are going to demonstrate ki how this is going to be happen. So first of all, material required sulfur magnesium ribbon, gas jar, then delineating spoon, tong, red and blue litmus papers. So the thing we have done that ki the particular metals are going to produce acidic basic oxide and non-metal are going to be acetic oxide production. But we need to go this with the demonstration ki is it really happening like this? So let's see. So procedure is here, we need to hold the magnesium ribbon with a pair of tong and heat till it catches fire. Collect the white powder. When we are burning this particular magnesium ribbon, the reaction you need to remember magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. Then this is the powdery form of magnesium oxide. We are going to dissolve this into water taken in test tube, and afterward we are going to dip the red and blue litmus paper in this solution. And observation part we need to see here. When another case we are collecting the solution of magnesium. Now metal ka solution we have done. Now we need to produce with non-metals. So take some sulfur in a deflagrating spoon and heat till it catches fire. Again we are same procedure we are going to do with that particular of the non-metal. जो हमने metal के साथ procedure करा, same we have to done with the non-metal. Then load this spoon in a gas jar, close it with the lid and add some water into the jar and shake well. Now taste this solution with blue and red litmus paper. So same thing we have done with the magnesium, that is a metal, and now sulfur, that is a non-metal. Now you can see here tong is there in which we have to see that कि हमने क्या देखा है particular metal और non-metal को हमने क्या करा with the help of tong burn करा flame से, powder को हमने collect करा, afterward powder we have taken in a jar and we have added with water in that and then shaking, afterward solution is prepared. That solution we need to taste with the litmus paper. So let's see the observation part. Magnesium burn in oxygen present in air forming magnesium oxide, and magnesium oxide dissolve in water forming magnesium hydroxide, which turn red litmus blue and shows no reaction on blue litmus. तो अगर blue litmus पे कोई reaction नहीं हो रहा है, when we have done already this in the case of reaction, but magnesium oxide को जब हमने water में add करा तो solution बना अपने पास magnesium hydroxide. And when we are testing this with litmus paper, so what it have done, you can see in the last line, which turn red litmus blue and show no reaction on blue litmus. इसने क्या करा, red litmus को blue कर दिया, but क्या नहीं करा इसने, blue litmus मिल गया अपने पास, ठीक है, blue litmus को red कर दिया. Fine. So magnesium hydroxide turn red litmus blue and show no reaction on blue litmus. Blue litmus पे no reaction करा. Fine. So after this we can see here, you can see the experimental setup when this reaction is happened. When this is going to be observed कि litmus paper पे changes की वजह से we can come to know particular solution is acidic or basic in nature. So next, after seeing that कि particular magnesium hydroxide is giving no effect on blue litmus, but it is going to turn red litmus blue, means that is basic in nature. Now in case of sulfur, we have seen sulfur burn in oxygen forming sulfur dioxide, and we also going with the same process, dissolve that particular sulfur dioxide in water and that is forming sulfurous acid, and that acid is undergoing, we need to be test that with the litmus paper. So that particular sulfurous acid is going to turn blue litmus into red and show that no reaction on the red litmus, which indicating that the non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. So conclusion is here, metal burn in oxygen forming basic oxides and non-metal burn in oxygen forming acidic oxides.